Alright, here's a GMC and a Goodman unit. This one's an older 12-series Goodman. No, it's got a Copeland scroll compressor. So this is a pretty good unit, I guess. 2006 5-ton. Has not been running at all, don't think. This one is from 2019. It's a 4-ton. This one's a brand new unit. It's a nice unit, actually. This is a really good system. This is a pretty much an interesting looking Goodman, a 12-series unit. Oh, it looks like it has not been running at all, the Goodman. There's a disconnected ring classic package unit. I'm assuming it's a ring because the panel of it's missing. There's a Frigidaire window unit on top of it. See all those disconnected stuff in here? Contactor, the run capacitor, and everything like that. I think it's a ream or a Goodman, but it kind of looks like a ream. And over here, there's 2 daikins and a really old York tabletop unit. This thing is noisy. Actually, no, this one's really noisy. This one's an old York, and it has been running actually. I've seen it run and it just shut off. So I'm assuming it's about to start up right now. Either way, let's get the data off of it. It's from 1989. I think it's from 1989. And it's a 120,000 BTU. Alright, I'm about to end this video right now because